Welcome to our channel Science and Knowledge. This is something new. The network has revealed live hands-on video of the Apple iPhone 17 base model. According to the latest available data, a new leaked video confirms iPhone 17 green color, smartphone characteristics, launch details and much more. Let's dive into the video's full details. To know all this here, please watch the video till the end. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel Science and Knowledge for our future videos. Today, a new video was leaked online showing a green version of the iPhone 17 base model. Well-known insider Majin Boo published a video on the X platform showing a working device in a green case. According to the information received, Apple plans to release the iPhone 17 in 6 color options. In addition to green, the line will include black and white colors identical to the iPhone 16, as well as new shades, steel gray, purple, Pantone 530U, and light blue, Pantone 658U. The key upgrade to the standard iPhone 17 model will be a display with a 120Hz refresh rate, up from 60Hz on its predecessor. However, unlike the Pro versions, the base model will not get ProMotion technology with an adaptive refresh rate. The refresh rate will be fixed. This improvement will provide noticeably smoother animations, a responsive interface, and an improved experience when scrolling, playing games, and watching videos. The iPhone 17 design will be consistent with the iPhone 16. The device will have an aluminum body, with support for MagSafe, Face ID, and wireless charging. The cameras on the back panel are located in a vertical pill-shaped bulge. The iPhone 17 hardware will be based on the A18 chip, manufactured using the 3nm N3E technology and 8GB of RAM. This combination will provide high performance in games, multitasking, and when using Apple Intelligence features. The iPhone 17 will feature a proprietary Wi-Fi chip, with support for the Wi-Fi 7 standard, as well as 5G network capabilities and global eSIM support. These improvements will provide faster connection speeds and reduced latency when working on the network. The iPhone 17 camera system will include a 48-megapixel fusion main sensor and a 12-megapixel ultra-wide lens. The front-facing camera will get a significant upgrade to 24 megapixels from the iPhone 16's 12-megapixel shooter, which should improve the quality of selfies and video calls. The iPhone 17 battery will provide a full day of operation with active use. Energy efficiency is achieved thanks to the optimized A18 chipset and the possible use of an OLED panel with LTPO technology. The battery capacity increase is also expected. The new iPhone 17 line is expected in September this year.